Hello, my name is Karen Araya and I'm a student at Queensborough Community College. Today I'm going to talk to you about what is Management Information System and Information Technology. Information technology is a field concerned with the use of technology in managing and processing information. One example would be the use of computers. It helps us retrieve information securely, convert, store, protect, and process information. In IT, fixes the computer if it crashes. Every major or small business has a IT department if any of their computers ever happen to crash. Management Information System is the general name for the business function and academic discipline covering the applications of people, technologies, and procedures. Management Information System includes three major components, such as technologies, procedures, and applications of people. In MIS, manages computers but calls in IT when it breaks down. The next thing I wanted to talk to you about was the relationship among people, information technology, and information. Like we said earlier, information technology fixes a computer whenever it crashes, a field that manages and processes information. Information is data converted into a meaningful and useful context. Putting all together, people use information technology to work with information. If one fails, then chances are the business will fail as well. Thank you.